Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best replacement blades is probably one of the most essential accessories for your Cricut Maker. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or just starting out, having the right blade can make all the difference. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of replacement blades, exploring different types, materials, and what to consider when choosing the perfect one for your projects. Number 5. THANMAO 40 PCS Cutting Blades for Explore Air. This set includes 10 fine point blades, 20 standard blades, and 10 deep cutting blades. They are designed to meet various cutting needs, ensuring you have the right blade for any project. The 30 degrees blades are for thin materials like window tint. The 45 degrees blades are for paper and vinyl. The 60 degrees blades are for thicker materials such as fabric and leather. These blades are perfectly compatible with Explore Air 2, Air 3, Explore 4, Maker, Maker 3, Maker 4, and Expression cutting machines. It's a versatile choice for your crafting needs. Made from durable carbide, these blades are sturdy and long-lasting. They are sharper than others on the market, allowing you to cut your projects smoothly and efficiently. Each blade has a protective rubber cover to prevent injury. Remember to remove it before use. Also, manually adjust the blade depth for different materials. What we like. This set offers a comprehensive selection of blades, including fine point, standard, and deep cut options. It's compatible with a wide range of Cricut machines, making it a versatile choice. If you work with various materials like paper, vinyl, and fabric, this set provides the right blade for every project. What people say. I got the cleanest cut I have in a long time. These have worked great, have been sharp, have fit the housing, and corrected the issue I was having as a result of a dull blade. Fits perfect in my Explore 4 and cuts great. Number 4. STREWEEK 50 PCS Cricut Explore Air Maker 3 Blades. These STREWEEK cutting blades are designed for your Cricut machines. They offer precision and versatility for all your crafting needs. The blades are fully compatible with Cricut Explore Air, Air 2, Air 3, and Maker 3. They are a universal solution for your cutting needs. The set includes 3 different blade types, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, and 60 degrees blades. Each type is designed for different materials, from lightweight to medium weight. Made of carbide, these blades ensure high hardness and abrasion resistance. This allows them to make your handiwork smoother and better. These fine point blades are suitable for various materials. You can use them on fabric, PVC, self-adhesive, and more. You'll receive 50 blades in total, including 30 degrees, 45 degrees, and 60 degrees blades. Plus, you'll get 24-hour customer service. Each blade has a rubber cap to prevent scratches. Remember to remove the cap before use and keep them away from children. What we like. These blades are made of carbide, ensuring sharp and smooth cuts for both general and intricate designs. With 3 different blade sizes, it can handle various materials. If you are looking for a blade that delivers precision and smoothness, this is a great option. What people say. Easy to figure out which one is which, and easy install. They are durable, but if you have to replace them, there's enough in the package that you can afford to swap them out more often. Sharper blade, better performance. It cut cleanly through the acetate on one pass. Number 3. Niantime Premium Fine Point Blades. Introducing the Niantime Premium Fine Point Blades, designed for your cutting machines. This pack includes 10 premium carbide blades, fully compatible with various Explore and Maker models. These blades are incredibly easy to install and remove. Each blade comes with a protective cap for safety, ensuring both the blade and your fingers are protected during use. Made from high-quality carbide steel, these blades offer super sharp and clean cuts. They allow for intricate designs, saving you material and providing detailed results. These blades are perfect for thin to medium weight materials. Use them on paper, cardstock, vinyl, and more. They are versatile for a wide range of projects. The fine point blades work great with Maker 3, Maker, Explore 3, Air 2, Air, and 1 machines. You can use them for all Explore and Maker family machines. While these blades handle detailed cuts, it's best to adjust your design slightly when working with thicker materials. This will ensure the best results. What we like. These blades are made of high-quality carbide steel, ensuring clean and precise cuts, even for intricate designs. They are also easy to install and remove. If you want to achieve detailed cuts with ease, this blade is perfect for you. What people say. The blades cut through the materials with precision. They fit my Cricut Maker perfectly. I was able to cut several different materials with ease. Number 2. Aosry Fine Point Blade for Maker Explore. This Aosry Fine Point Blade is compatible with various die-cutting machines, including the Maker and Explore series. It's designed to work seamlessly with your existing equipment, making it a versatile choice for all your crafting needs. The blade is perfect for cutting a wide range of thin to medium weight materials. You can use it on paper, cardstock, vinyl, and more, allowing you to explore a variety of creative projects. The blade features a super sharp fine point and a sturdy housing for durability. The housing is designed to last, so you only need to replace the blade when it's time for a new one. Made from premium carbide steel, this blade ensures precise and clean cuts every time. It resists wear and tear, providing long-lasting performance for intricate designs and detailed work. The blade comes with its own housing unit, making it easy to install and remove. For safety, it includes a protective cover, so you can handle it with confidence. What we like. This blade comes with its own housing unit, making it easy to install and use. Made from German carbide, it ensures long-lasting precision and clean cuts. If you are looking for a blade that can handle a wide range of materials, from glitter vinyl to faux leather, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Works wonders on cutting vinyl. It is great for cutting thicker material. Is easy to use, it's very sharp so it cuts very smoothly. Cuts great on heavier watercolor paper. Number 1. Cricut Premium Fine Point Replacement Blade. Introducing the Cricut Premium Fine Point Replacement Blade. This blade is designed for precision, allowing you to cut a variety of materials for your crafting projects. It's perfect for bringing your creative visions to life. Made with durable German steel, this blade offers lasting sharpness. It's built to withstand cutting through various light to medium weight materials, ensuring a longer lifespan. You can rely on it for consistent results. This blade is compatible with Cricut Maker and Explore machines. Simply insert it into your machine and start creating. It's the perfect addition to your Cricut setup, expanding your crafting possibilities. Cut through cardstock, vinyl, iron-on, and more. This blade opens up a world of possibilities for your projects. It allows you to create a wide range of crafts with ease. With this blade, crafting becomes fun, simple, and quick. It's designed to help you fuel your creative fire and bring your ideas to life. Get ready to create beautiful projects right at home. What we like. This replacement blade, made of durable German steel, offers lasting sharpness for longer blade life. It is compatible with Cricut Maker and Explore machines. If you are looking for a reliable blade for your Cricut machine that can handle light to mid-weight materials, this is a great choice. What people say. The blades cut through the materials with precision. The blades are very sharp and cut cleanly. These blades work great with the Cricut Maker. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.